Assalamu alaikum friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are happy and well. So in today's video viewers, I will show you beautiful string art. So I hope you are enjoy my videos. So viewers, let's start today's video. So friends, one of the easy project is a heart string design. Draw a heart shape on a wooden board. Place small nails around the outline and warp colorful thread between the nails. Red, pink, white thread create a beautiful decoration for your bedroom or living room. Another popular idea is a tree string art design. Use brown thread for the tree trunk and green thread for the leaves. This natural design adds warmth and beauty to your home. Flower string art is always a favorite. You can create rose, sunflower, daisy, tulips using bright thread. This colorful design brings a fresh and cheerful feeling to any room. If you love animals, try making butterfly, birds, cat, dog, elephant or deer. String art animal design are fun, creative and perfect for children's room. And friends, my next idea is viewers, friends, so viewers, a family name string art is another wonderful project. Write your family name or a meaningful word like home, love, hope or welcome. This personal decoration look beautiful at your entrance or in your living room. Nature inspired design are always popular. Mountain, forest, leaves and sunset create peaceful artwork that fit many home styles. And viewers, I hope you are enjoy my videos. So please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Press the bell icon for more latest updates, viewers. So friends, Allah Hafiz. See you in the next video, viewers. Take care and Khuda Hafiz.